nakishare lang sa Christmas tree. So, Merry Christmas! Kaya nakishare lang dito sa Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas sa ating lahat dyan, mga kababayan ko. Ayan, Pasko na naman guys. And here I am for my day 23 of my lipstick series. And today, lipstick presentation is from Pat McGrath. The box, look at the packaging because it's so nice. And the unboxing and everything, just like that. And there you go. Oh, I almost dropped it. Here's the packaging, a lip gold. It's not magnetic, just basic packaging. Here's the color. I almost have the same color with this. That was darker, but this one is lighter, like pink. So there you go. So let's do it to make it happen. Very pigmented. It's look better already. Let me go check on my mirror here. What do you guys think this color? I love it. Perfect on my eyeshadow, my tops, my headband. What do you guys think? Festive vibe. It's Christmas tomorrow, Christmas Eve, but today in Philippines is gonna be a Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna put it back. Oh, what happened? Oh, something wrong with this. It don't go down. What the heck? Oh my goodness. What's going on, Pat McGrath? Oh, you don't go down, guys. What am I gonna do with this now? You don't go down. I don't know. Oh, go down? No, it's not going down because it came up. This is the packaging. Look at that. I don't know. You don't twist. Let me check. Something wrong. It's okay. Just put charge and the experience. Alright, so this is my lipstick for today. Lipstick of the day. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna eat it. Okay, guys. Merry Christmas. Guys, I damaged